Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave me your thumbs up, and leave your comments. And please share these videos out. It would help me tremendously. Y'all, we're going to talk about the gridlock that's happening. But first, I want to remind everyone today is 9/11. Let's not forget what happened 19 years ago. It was the worst disaster I believe our country has ever faced, and we lost a lot of good Americans that day. Y'all please pray for their families, because I know today is a tough day for them. So please pray for peace for them. Also, we need to really appreciate our first responders, our fire department, our police, our ambulance, our doctors, our nurses, everyone that was on the front line risking their life and all of that soot and ash trying to save lives. And also the first responders that's trying to save lives today during the COVID ordeal. Y'all say a prayer for the 9/11 victims and their families, that they have peace. Okay, one more thing too. Sherry Croft, please don't forget her in your prayers, that her test comes back negative for colon cancer. Also, the man that was in my comments a few days ago, I still don't remember his name, but he's got stage 3 cancer. Please pray for him, that God will see both of these people through, and everyone that's suffering from cancer. Cancer is a terrible thing. Okay, gridlock. Right now, both sides, the House and the Senate, is in a big gridlock. And I don't even know if gridlock would be the right word for it, because gridlock indicates that they're trying. I don't see them trying. I see them trying not to get anything done. Y'all, they could have got this done long ago if they tried. But now, it looks like Donald Trump is going to have to sign his executive orders to get anything done. It shouldn't be that way. The House and the Senate is supposed to get these things done. The only thing the president is supposed to do is sign off on them, sign them into law. But he's going to have to take action in his own hands and sign executive orders, use his presidential powers. A lot of people saying that he's going to be doing this to make him look good come election day. I don't care why he's doing it. And they're probably right. That probably is the big motive behind it. But who really cares? As long as we get the help we need for the people. Y'all, a lot of people are still saying that they don't have food for their kids. Y'all, they've got it okayed now to extend the food for kids until the first of the year. Y'all, please go get the food. Then your kids won't be hungry. Y'all, there's not an easier way to say it, but if they're hungry now, it's not the government's fault. They've got the program in place. All you got to do is go get the food for them. Y'all, I love you all. We will get out of this funk that the whole country is in, that the world is in, really. But we're going to have to keep faith in Jesus. He will see us through this. I know he will. He's seen me through a lot of bad stuff. I can speak volumes of what he has seen me through. Y'all, I love you all. Until tomorrow morning, please subscribe to my channel. Leave me your thumbs up. Leave your comments. Check out my books in the link below, and check out my other channel, Wally World Vlogs. Please subscribe to it. And just know I love you all. Ciao.